Peace be upon you all. Today's strategy is 36.9. Follow us on the description pages. The exact intelligence of ups and downs. If there is a rise or fall, you then enter the second number, 9 and $1. It usually works in most trades. If you lose in this trade, enter in the second number at the end of the second and at $5, for example. On the same trend, let's try it now and see. Now let's see what happens in the third second. In this model, there was a rise and then a fall. We enter a short position because we rely on the last movement of the indicator. In the 9th second, we enter a short. Of course, because it's uncertain, it tends to be wrong. So we'll show you how to reinforce. We enter a short. It worked, but even if we entered in a second number 1, it would have been a successful short as well. Okay, folks, let's repeat the process and focus on this other example, or change the currency so you can see more examples. For instance, on the angle, there was a fall and then a rise back up. So we enter a buy trade in the second number 9. Second number 9. It's a simple and easy strategy. If you lose, you compensate in the next trade in the second number 9. Okay, another example. Oh, if we were testing another pairing, yes. Let's choose this one, for example. This is stocks. Let's observe the 36th second and see its movement. It was a rise. 5 units for the internet. These are 3 examples. These are very few examples. Let's take another example. Taking another example, God willing. Hopefully, this example stands out so we can tell you what to do if the trade fails. It was a slight fall, and it's about to end. Just a slight fall in the second number 9. We pay attention to the candle. It's clear it's going up, but we will enter in the second number 9 and stick to the strategy. If the trade fails, enter at the beginning of the second, a short position. All right, folks, with a bigger amount at the beginning of the second. Thank you all.